Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Mazhar Ali, and today I take you to visit Keenjhar Lake, one of the great man-made natural water lake in Thatta, Sindh province of Pakistan. Watch this video to know the history and development of Keenjhar Lake, famous love story of Nuri Jam Tamachi. You will see the grave of Noori in the center of Keenjhar Lake and history behind this grave. You will see the beauty of Keenjhar Lake in different times like in morning, evening and night. You may also observe the facilities which are provided by Sindh government in form of resorts, restaurants and boats. So keep watching this video till the end. We have started our journey from Karachi, the capital city of Sindh province of Pakistan. We reached there after a journey of 2 hours. As we have booked the resort about 1 week before, so as we reached there, the reception of Keenjhar Lake Resorts, a very good cultural reception is given to us by the tourism department of Sindh government. Keenjhar Lake is a popular tourist place. Many people from the country, especially from Karachi, Hyderabad and Thatta, visit to enjoy picnics, swimming, fishing and boating. Tourism department facilitated with parks, children playgrounds, resorts and restaurants as well as boating. Keenjhar Lake Resort is developed on the bank of Kinjar. The resort was established in 1990 but renovated properly by Sindh Tourist Development Corporation in 2020. Resorts are of two categories. The first category is consisted of 2 bedrooms which are attached bath, dining hall and sitting area. The second category of the resort is consisted of 3 bedrooms with attached bathrooms, dining hall and sitting area. All the bedrooms and sitting area are air conditioned. There are galleries upstairs the ground floor where visitor can view the Kinjar. If you look at the Kinjar now through this video, you may enjoy even the beautiful view of the Kinjar, the people who are boating there. Even you may enjoy the parks in front of the resort and the Keenjhar. This view attracts a lot and satisfies the soul of person. Means one can get enjoyment or get rid of the stressful life of the cities here at the Keenjhar. The great poet of Sindhi language, Shah Abdul Latif Bhattai, expresses his poetic view. हेठ जर मथे मञर पासे में वण राह अचे वञे विच में तमाचीअ जी साह लॻे उतर वाव किंजर हिंदोरो थिए. Means there is a water below, fresh sprouting branches above and trees all around. In the midst of all this, she comes and goes to enjoy Tamachi. The north wind blows and makes Lake Keenjhar rock gently like a swing. Keenjhar Lake, it is called Keenjhar Dund in Sindhi language and Keenjhar Jheel in Urdu. It is located in Thatta District of Sindh province of Pakistan. Keenjhar Lake is located about 22 kilometers away from Thatta and about 122 kilometers from Karachi and 80 kilometers from Hyderabad, Sindh. It is one of the largest man-made lakes in Pakistan. Keenjhar and Sonehri were two smaller depressions which were joined in 1958 by dynamiting the separating hills to make one lake. The Kalri Lake, again in 1972, was renamed Keenjhar Lake, an artificial and tropical lake. Historically, Keenjhar Lake is formed by the union of two lakes, namely Sonehri and Keenjhar, through the construction of a bund, means embankment on their eastern side. Keenjhar Lake was built possibly in the 12th century by the local rulers as a water reservoir for the capital of Sindh Thatta. However, the purpose of the construction of the bund was to supply drinking water to the residents of Thatta District and Karachi and irrigation and wildlife intention. Keenjhar and Sonehri were two smaller depressions. This lake is 27.35 kilometer in length. However, it's about 84 kilometers in around. It receives water from river Indus by canal Kalri Bagar feeder, originating from Ghulam Muhammad Barrage. The minimum depth of the lake is 4 meters and the maximum depth of the lake is 8 meters and the average depth of the lake is 7 meters. Keenjhar Lake has been declared a Ramsar site and wildlife sanctuary. It provides a favorable habitat for winter migratory birds. Keenjhar Lake is an extremely beautiful blue water lake that plays an important ecological role in the functioning of the Indus River basin. The famous folklore of Nuri Jam Tamachi is connected to the lake. There is a shrine in the middle of the lake marking Nuri's grave. Nuri Jam Tamachi is a famous tale of Prince Jam Tamachi's falling in love with the charming fisherwoman Noori. Noori makes Jaam happy with her perfect surrender and obedience, which causes him to raise her above all the other queens. The great poet of Sindhi language, Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, says, Noori's helplessness was wonderfully hard to grasp. The fisher girl charmed the Samo, who was the ruler of them all. Having lost their claims to him, the queens came and stood behind her. Jam Tamachi was a Samo prince. Samo is the caste of Sindh. Samo was a ruler of Sindh. A fisher girl, Noori, attracts the attention of Jam Tamachi, who madly fell in love with her and raised her above the ladies of royal blood. She was also called Gandri, her clean name. The legend has been retold countless times and is often used as a metaphor for divine love by Sufis. Its most beautiful rendering is found in the poetic compendium of Shah Risalo. Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai says, the fisher girl has no pride or arrogance in her heart. She delighted the king with her eyes filled with graceful look. Her artful ways won the Samo for her over all the others. Nuri Jam Tamachi is the only story that has a happy ending and personifies lasting love. Nuri is one of the 7 queens or the 7 heroines of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai who have become symbol of bravery, commitment, character, loyalty, and zeal throughout Sindh. Noori died while Jam Tamachi was alive. Noori was buried on the hill at Keenjhar Lake at the mid of the Kinjar. If you look, this is the mid of the Keenjhar Lake, and here the depth of water is about 8 meter. So at that time there was no water near the hill, but now the grave of the Noori is surrounded by the water of Keenjhar Lake. The love story of Noori and Jam Tamachi is still remembered, the fisherman's daughter who married a king. There is another grave of Shah Hundro. Shah Hundro is the master of Noori. This is the reason that after the death of Noori, her husband Jam Tamachi buried her near the grave of her master Shah Hundro. This is evening view of Kinjar. I captured this video while boating. Really fantastic and beautiful view as well as feeling. Means when you were boating in the evening, you feel different. I think this is the reason that the Shah Abdul Latif says that there is a water below, fresh sprouting branches above, and my beloved is beside me. So many of my desires are fulfilled, none of them has been frustrated. So really, these are the feelings. So I hope you will visit the Kinjar and enjoy the evening boating. That will definitely change your feelings and your thinking and make you a different person. And if you are a poet, if you are a writer, if you are a tourist, you may write different things. There's a facility of the restaurant, that is the Noori restaurant, one of the very good restaurant, delicious foods. All types of the food are there, especially the Sindhi foods are there. Along with the park, there is the along with this restaurant, Noori restaurant, there's a park where you may enjoy with your friends and family and so on. And if you feel hungry, you may go to the restaurant and enjoy the delicious food as well. Your kids may enjoy there, like my daughter is enjoying there. So if you go there with your family and kids, your kids will enjoy a lot. You may make videos, photos, and enjoy the great evening of the lake. Friends, this is the morning view of Keenjhar Lake. I waked up early in the morning and captured this video, these scenes, and really, I enjoyed a lot. Nature satisfies the soul. So when I saw these early morning views, which you cannot see in the big cities, so these scenes really provide a lot of enjoyments. So hope you will like this video and you will visit the Kinjar. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care.